Hi, I'm Charlotte Sparkle, and today I'm going to make some soap monsters. Now let's get started. Now these are the ones I made earlier, and I made them out of a soap bar that I cut in half because soap expands in the microwave. Now I'm going to show you how to make one. Now first, I'm going to put the soap bar in the microwave for 2 minutes until the whole thing is really bubbly. But I'm only going to put half of it in. Now I'm going to give the bar of soap to my dad. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh! There's my monster. Now I'm going to wait for it to cool down. Now it's ready, and now I'm going to decorate it. So I'm going to use little leaves stick here as ears. And I'm going to use 2 yellow beads for eyes. Now I use some pieces of odd sticks for a little mouth. Now I'm going to put 2 pipe cleaners on the top of my monster's head. Now, the same with the other pipe cleaner. Now I'm going to put 2 beads in the top of my monster's head. And put an acorn at the top for a little hat, and a little metal screw thing for the nose. Now I'm going to use a really cool button for a little cheek. Now I'm going to use a little safety pin for the top of the monster's head. My monster's done. See you all next time. And have a great time playing with your soap monster.